Finance Ministry rebuffs fake FATF news reports. The Minister of Finance has seen some media report misleading and unfounded histories concerning Pakistan's position in the Task Force on Financial Action, FATF. Clarification: it is clarified that France, like many other jurisdictions, has been an active partner of Pakistan during the implementation of its ICRG action plan, and it has also provided technical support and guidance to Pakistan, said the statement issued by the Ministry of Finance. In implementing the action plan, Pakistan has committed itself to the FATF and will maintain its momentum towards enhancing the FATF regime. In the last 2 years, Pakistan has worked together to achieve this, which is also recognized by the international community. The ministry urged everyone to refrain from speculative, sensational or unfounded reports that could threaten Pakistan's international cooperation and goodwill. The FATF will announce its future course of action on the Pakistan Action Plan following its plenary meeting concluded on the 25th of June 2021.